the lights are out. Great. Where did I put the glasses again? Oh, the radio's malfunctioning again. Welcome to row your boat. Down the jet goes. Possibly so old. Huh? It's only 2011. Oh, that was 9/11. Yeah, with my grandfather to celebrate with me. Two parties in the probably. Beth only picks the best ones. Really looks something like. God, no time to be sad. To wallow in my depression. Where did I? What did? Nothing. Where did he leave? There it is. Grandpa? Brings back to me memories. Oh, I remember him crafting this for me. I love this. Oh yeah, VHS. Huh, retro game. I gotta check this out tonight. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. What's up with the... That's something interesting. Oh, that's kind of that's normal. A retro controller. Stop with the noise every time I go to do something. I just get a canoe? Tutorial, Old Oak, Winterland, Winter Forest, Cave, Mount... Okay. Welcome to Row, Row, Row Your Boat. A fun game for all. This is a quick tutorial on how to play. A, D. To move, you must hold A and D on the keyboard for respective directions. Avoid obstacles while on your way. Collect the stars to level up. Have a fun gameplay. Okay, stars this way.
Gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Gently down the stream. Life is but a dream. Gently down the stream.
Yay! Next level. Ah, this is high definition all of a sudden. My old TV's drains can't handle this. The game's too advanced. Oh, hi, mysterious man. Not that video game. God. I'm getting tired of this. What's that sound? Oh, that was a very creepy shadow. Hello? Finish off stuff here. I can't seem to switch up the lights on. If I can play on the TV? What do you want? Happy New Year's. Who on earth are you? How do you have my number? Doesn't matter. How's the game? Who is... Tell me first. My grandson. It's me. Alright. Johnny? Is this you? You fooling nobody. Look at you. Drowning all. Huh? Go away, Ghost. Ghost of Grandpa. I'm busy trying to play a game. I'm busy trying to play a game, Grandpa. Needs fresh air. Alright. I'm not talking long. Stop the noise. Oh, I'm on Winterland now. It's on Old Oak, then Winterland, then it'll be Winter Forest. Then a cave, and then a mountain. New round. 10 stops this time. I'm mysterious, man. Squeeze on by. Come on, me. I can't squeeze by that. Yay, I won! Next level. Alright, now it's the Winter Forest. I can see you getting close to Mysterious Man. Oh, that's too close. No! Nope, I can't exit out the TV. Okay. Oh, come on. I was having the wall for that. Oh, shush, Mysterious Man. I see you on the screen. I don't care. It's gonna be like every horror protagonist ever and just not care about the mysterious entity on the screen. I won. No deaths. Oh, the power went out. Oh, I just need to move the books around. No, wait, I want to organize it a little bit. It was hideous. There you go, a simple screw. Oh, I'm getting a notification. Please listen. Lionheart. Huh? I heard this name before. Please confront. Who are you? He's our grandpa. Just an anonymous person. I made a mistake, and I'm sorry. Just tell me who you are. Yeah. Please promise me something. Don't finish the game. No, I can't. It's gifted by someone special. I just want special. Learn the hard way then. God, who even is this person? Probably someone. If he's kind of knowing everything, I don't really care, but it's starting to actually make me. My first time staying here, not disappointing. Not disappointing, but I guess this is worth the money. Nothing else to gain. Anyways, you're gonna be an idiot and disregard what he said. Anyways, the mines. Oh shoot, that's invisible. Oh, he's right next to us now. Oh, that's all 15. So I think I've run into a few errors. I wonder why. It's not like the next one is, you know, please play the game while the tape is being fixed. No. Not easy. But Among Us before, I can do this. You won! I don't want to play the next round. Can I get a different boat? No. I don't think I want to play this anymore, but apparently this guy's an idiot, so here we go. Oh shoot, the game's not finished. Whoa, the game's bugged. Is that a boss fight? Dear God, get me out of here. Okay, so why have a demon after me? Am I meant to like use the rock to slow him down? Oh no, he's gonna follow me. Oh shoot, it's like, oh, you did it yourself. I'm just gonna go down now. Alrighty, so I just need to keep going side to side, and if I see him like doing this, and I just see him stop, that means it's like hard right or left. Oh. Oh, he's gone, for sure. I didn't have anywhere to go, I was stuck in a dead end. Because if I went right, I would have gotten stuck, and I don't know if I can, like, hard right, left, hard left. I had to go hard left, but if I went hard right immediately afterwards, I would have gotten, like, still hit, I believe. Dang, I'm trying to bait the guy out. He's not falling for it. Ah. I can't. I need to, like, plan 5 steps ahead, because he's gonna, like, attack, but I need to watch out for the rocks, also, the rocks gonna, like, in the way, if I, like, need to go one way, yeah. I couldn't. He attacked right when I can't do anything. If he did it right when I had to pass to the left, so that way I just, god dang. Can you pick a lane, buddy? Pick a lane. What? You made it seem like I could do that. How rude. This is what most of the episode's gonna be spent on, just this one level. The real horror is this one level right here. Nope, I could not. But I don't. It's hard because I'm like having to like look semi-awkwardly because of the fact that. Wait, that was close. No. Oh, come on. Ah. Alright, so I noticed something. He like brings his hands together when he's about to attack. He's like how his hands are together right then, like when he's about to attack, so. Yeah. When he brings his hands together, that's when you like want to move. There we go. I figured it out. Watch, just watch his hands. I couldn't do anything. He wasn't going to attack, and by the time he did, I would have. God dang it! That's the problem. Sometimes you need to have him hit into the rocks because he's just going to attack when you're in an area where you can't dodge it. God, no, I couldn't. Can you actually like do it when he's like forward? Will it still count? Because if I can't head right when he's forward, that's gonna make things so much easier. Because that means I don't have to be like, oh no, he's in the way. I can't. If that's wrong, that's not possible yet. I wasn't paying attention to the hands. God dang it. All right, you can go like hard right when Come on, give it to me. Yeah. Middle finger to you. This was taking too long. No. I'm gonna leave. Alright, fine, I'll click you. This guy's such an idiot. Oh dear God, we're in the belly of we're in a bloody forest. Hello, mean smiley face. That was quite a show, wasn't it? You love your grandpa so much, you just had to win this game. This younger generation sounds so caring. Mind me recalling your memory? He's dead. Smiley face. It's so unfortunate I was the only witness. Hearing all the blood-boiling scream and agony. Even in his death he said something heartwarming about you. Oh, how nice. The last wish from him was with him wanting to see you. Oh, hi, Grandpa. Is that you then? Oh, for you to see him, they're the same. Oh, for you to see him, they're the same, right? Smiley face. Sincerely, Fijun Lee. Oh, it's ascending. Oh, hi, big Grandpa. What in the world? It'll work. Ah, shoot. It didn't work. I tried, it wouldn't let me in. Alright. Okay, what do you want me to do? Like... So behind the Christmas tree, okay. I guess I'm right. Yeah, this is not weird at all. You don't see me, right? Okay, I'm so perfect at this game that it let me miss the whole thing. Who was that creepy guy who kept... Was that the creepy guy who kept messaging me? Well, let's just open so I could lock the entrance door. ASAP. What you need? You're gonna lock yourself in here with him? Excuse me, how? No. Right there. We're on a 25th story thing. How on earth is he going to... You saw him enter your room. Hey, what do I even do now? Call the police? Do research about the game. Row your boat, ugly truth. Welcome. Yeah, we're gonna face the ugly truth, because no way we're going to sleep when he's right in our closet. Top here. Up at the the Risky Vada. It's like 3 a.m. Oh. First option. The passing of once a famous game developer. The best type of game is unrushed, uncared, and made with love. Shin Milad. Both co-founded the game. Dun dun dun. Shin Milad. Good joke. There's no way this is true. You're telling me my biological grandpa is still out there, roaming? And this whole time, someone has taken the place of my grandpa? Dun dun dun? No. This must be some twisted joke. I'm calling the police now. You should have done that stop. Why'd my cat thing go away? Ben dying. At least we didn't die on sleep. Hi, Jesus. Oh, it's washing himself off. How nice. I'm sorry. I believe a demon is controlling me. For a moment, I felt peace. With no more burden to carry. But has the future been buried? Nonetheless, my work is done. And so am I. Oh, shoot. Game by this person. Mesh Modeling, General Jaspu, Saku 3599, Developer Chonky. Nice. Piano Vampire, Roblox. Yes. A Piano Vampire, my favorite. Yes. Stella. Sometimes it's best to know any lie than to succumb to the ugly truth. But we would have still died, probably. Blood after several stabs. Technicians arrived to fix the involved apartment room's electric circuit. But usually nobody left to see him replacing the hunting knife with a new one. I was sent to the hospital, but to no avail, he passed away in silence. The police couldn't find any other evidence rather than Ming's blood. Rather than his blood. He now lives his life consumed by the extreme guilt of killing his own son. The end. Again, he would have still died probably, but man. Thanks for playing. Something happening. I was about to show what the game name was and the page for it, but then suddenly the music stopped, so I'm just gonna stay here for a second. ASMR. I forgot to prank your mom thing. No, not that. The one at the end. Other end. Which one was it? I have no idea. Yeah, I'll do it today. Anyway, bye. Oh, hey, I'm the only one playing this game. There I am. Past buried. Canon ending to the story. Well, you guys have to get that, because I'm not. Anyways, goodbye. And remember, I don't know, remember something. You test what you have to do. Who knows?